Hey everybody, turn on Henry Tattoos. I'm going to show you how to make crispy french fries. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I'm just going to use 2 potatoes for this recipe. You can use as many as you want, obviously. So what we need to do is firstly slice this straight through the center. And the trick is you want to get these as thin as possible for best results. So going this ways, we're going to slice lengthways. But you want to get it nice and thin like that. Less than a centimeter. Now if you don't want to do french fries, you can actually just use them like this too. So they're more like steakhouse cut. But then we're just going to slice this way. And we want to try and get them thin. But we want to get them all the same size too. Just like that. Just so they look like typical french fries. Once you cut them, we're going to place them straight into a bowl. Alright guys, so once you've cut them all, we're just going to add a pinch of salt in. And we're going to top this all up with cold water. And make sure you get it all covered. Now we'll just give it a quick mix just to dissolve the salt. And all we're going to do is leave this like this for around 15 to 20 minutes. Now the reason for this is to get rid of that excess starch, because we want these nice and crispy. Alright guys, so at this point all we're going to do is strain our potatoes. In the meantime, we'll start to preheat our deep fryer to 140 degrees Celsius. That's very important to get rid of all this water, because we don't want to put too much into our deep fryer. Alright guys, so once your deep fryer is ready, as I said, 140 degrees Celsius, we're going to go ahead and start adding our potatoes straight in. Now don't overcrowd them. You need to do separate batches for it. Now go ahead and place them straight in. After a couple of seconds, give them a shake. We don't want anything to stick together. So guys, all we're doing now is cooking these for around 5 minutes at 140 degrees Celsius. Alright guys, so after about 5 minutes, you'll notice they're starting to float up. So what we're going to do is take the baskets out. And we just want to let them drain there and completely cool down. In the meantime guys, we're going to increase the temperature of our deep fryer to 170 degrees Celsius. Alright guys, so once your deep fryer is ready and they have cooled down, we're going to go ahead, give it a quick shake to make sure they're not stuck, and place it straight back in. And just using a pair of tongs will make sure they don't stick together. Now all we want to do is cook this for another 5 minutes until they're nice, golden brown and crispy. Alright guys, so we're at the 5-minute mark. Look at how beautiful they look. So we'll go ahead and take both baskets out, let them drain there for a second. And we'll go ahead and place this straight into a bowl. And you can really hear that crunch. And we'll season with salt. Give that a good shake. And let's serve. Alright, and there we have it guys. I've just served it up with some simple traditional ketchup. And that's all there is to it. Now this same method can be applied to sweet potato fries as well if you want to try that. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.